We're going to get started today with I Feel It All, and the chart that we are using says that the BPM, or the beats per minute, is actually listed at 172. We're going to start a bit slower than that so we can work gradually up and start and be exact and accurate with our tempo in the strum pattern. I'll start with a few measures of D, just staying in D so you can watch the hands and listen and play along. I'm going to start at 120 on the metronome, and we'll get going. I'll gradually speed it up for you as well. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's go up to 140, and we'll put this all in motion starting with the actual chord progression. Get it up a little bit closer to actual tempo. We'll stop with this one after. So this is at 160 now, 160 BPM. 1, 2, 3, go.